Hello, and welcome, everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can make a spy book by installing a camera into an old French dictionary. For this project you are going to need a large wide old book, scissors or tin snips, a USB to micro USB cable, a drill and drill bit and a pixie camera. You are going to want to start out by cutting out a hole for the camera in the spine of the book. Then you will need to cut a square box shape out of the book for the circuit board and then another slit for the cable. Push the pixie camera through the hole and thread the cable through the slit cut out for it. After installing the camera you can plug the USB cable into a computer and see what the book sees. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.